Court TV's next live trial, the Midwife murder trial in Nebraska. It's a bench trial, meaning no jury. The judge is going to make the decision on this. It begins Monday morning. The defendant, Angela Hock, is an unlicensed midwife and was charged with child abuse resulting in death after a home birth went terribly wrong. Here's a look at the case.
Hock with Nebraska Birthkeeper, coming to you through video for the first time in a while.
In the summer of 2019, 36-year-old Angie Hock was working as a midwife with Nebraska Birthkeeper, a company she founded with the stated mission to provide traditional home birth services to women in her community.
You know, when we talk about prenatal care, most people think it's going to your provider and getting clinical skills done, and that's important, and this does not substitute for that. But it's more than that. We want to nourish and help pregnant women feel whole and healthy and inspired and empowered.
On June 15th, 2019, Hock arrived at the home of 25-year-old Emily No to assist in the birth of her second child. No was in active labor, and it soon became apparent that her child was breached.
My client, as soon as the baby started to be born, did everything she could to save the life and protect the life of the mother, and 911 was called. And when the ETs and the fire department came there, they asked what they could do to help her.
Vera No was born in the ambulance on the way to the hospital, but died 2 days later. In early July, Hock was facing criminal charges in the baby's death.
Ms. Hock, the charge filed against you today is child abuse resulting in death.
During their investigation into baby Vera's birth and death, police discovered that this was not the first baby Angie Hock had delivered for the No family.
She assisted this family in a childbirth about 2 years ago, and the mother had the same issue with respect to a breach.
Investigators also found out that Hock was not licensed to be a midwife in Nebraska, a fact she acknowledged in a 2017 podcast.
I am not a licensed midwife. I am a traditional midwife. I never want to be licensed because I don't like rules and regulations. If mom wants me to, to work with her and she has a breach or multiples, I don't want anyone coming and telling me I can't do that.
She obviously knew it wasn't okay to do, and I think, you know, based on what she's written, she believed that she could circumvent the law as long as the parents signed off on something, which is obviously not logical.
Per Nebraska law, certified midwives are registered nurses who receive additional training to assist in childbirth, and they are prohibited from attending home births. Angela Hock says she is a direct entry midwife, meaning she doesn't need training or a license if she's not performing any medical procedures.
Also, I want to touch base a little bit about birthing options in Nebraska. So many times I get messages from women that say, I know I can't have a home birth, but. And I'm here to tell you that that's not true. You can absolutely have a home birth here in Nebraska, and you can absolutely have someone attend that home birth.
It certainly gives you an indication of what her thoughts are on the laws.
Hock has requested a bench trial instead of a jury trial, and if she's convicted, she could be sentenced to up to 20 years in prison.
This is a terrible tragedy, and sometimes tragedies happen and nobody's at fault. This is one of those cases. She's very distressed with respect to the fact that this child died.
And that trial getting up and running in Nebraska on Monday. We will have full coverage here at Court TV.